So this is how to insert photos into Apple Notes here on the Apple Notes application. So once you have your notes selected, just go ahead and press anywhere. You can either go to the bottom left and press the paperclip, or you can select it and go to the paperclip. But anyways, go to the paperclip in the bottom left. There's four different options. You can either select take photo or choose photo. In this example, I'm just going to go ahead and take a photo right here. It's going to be a wonderful photo of my countertop, so you're not going to see anything. It took a little flash. That's my masterpiece. Go ahead and press use photo. And there you go. Your photo is now added. You can press on it. You can edit it. You can do what you got to do. But that's how you guys can insert photos into Apple Notes. It works the exact same way with photos from your camera roll. Just go ahead and press choose photo. Hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.